Hello students, myself Karishma Datta from Saraswat International Academy. I am going to teach to standard 6th English medium, subject social science, chapter number 1, source of history, part 3. Okay students, now we will move on with the question number 3. Okay, in part 2 we have done with the objective parts, that is MCQ, filling in the blanks, true or false, and match the following. Okay, now question number 3 we will write, that is answer the following questions in one or two sentences. Okay, in this question will be given and you need to write the answers in one or two sentences. Okay, so in this manner you need to write in your notebook and write today's day and date. Okay, then the first one, by seeing or knowing about which things does the history of thousand of years can be known. Spelling of thousand, THOUSANDS. Thousands of year can be known. What is that? What will be the answer? And you now see, you need to write it from the question. The history of thousand of years can be known by seeing or knowing about old buildings, forts, ponds, temples, step wells, etc. Okay, how can we know about the history of thousand of years? By seeing the old buildings, by seeing the forts, by seeing the ponds, by seeing the temples, by seeing the step wells, etc. Second one, how will you prepare the collection book? COLLECTION, collection, BOOK, book, collection of book. Answer. Now what you want to write the answer? I shall prepare the collection of books by collecting various various pictures and articles articles from historical historical books, different newspapers, newspapers, magazine, magazines available in the school. Okay, how can we know about, how can we prepare the collection of books? By having seeing pictures, articles, historical books, different newspaper, and even by the magazine. Now, okay, what do you mean by Millennium Gallery? Comma करना है, that is Millennium Gallery. Or a question can come to you like, what is Millennium Gallery? From these two questions, the word or what do it define? That any question can be asked, but answer should be one written. Okay, is been given, but from these two questions any one question will be asked, and whichever question is will be asked, that answer you need to write it. Okay students, now what the information along with pictures about the events which took place during the 20th century was published in December 2000 by almost all the newspaper. This was named as Millennium Gallery. Okay, the information along with pictures about the event which was being published in the newspaper in the year 2000, that is the 20th century, that was said to be as Millennium Gallery. Next, fourth one. What is meant by Tad Patra? T should be capital, okay? Answer. During ancient times, ancient times, comma, the volumes or articles were written on the bark of plum tree. This kind of writing is known as Tad Patra. Okay. volumes, volumes. Okay, what they're saying over here, the volume of the article written on the bark of a plum tree. Okay, and that kind of writing is known as Tad Patra. The sixth one, the fifth one, sorry. What is meant by Bhojpatra? What is meant by what? Bhojpatra. A special type of tree named Bruj. A special type of tree named Bruj is found on Himalayan mountains. Himalayan, Himalayan mountain, mountains, Himalayan mountains. During ancient times, comma, the volume or article were written on its bark. This kind of writing is known as Bhoj Patra. This kind of writing is known as what? Bhoj Patra. Then the sixth one. What is meant by archives? What is meant by what? That is archives. The place where the inscription prepared by the kings of ancient India, the place where the inscription inscription prepared by the kings of ancient India are preserved is known as archives, right? The inscription which have been prepared by the kings of ancient India that are being preserved at one place, right? They are said to be as what? That is archives. Now, the seventh one. Give the name of one government archive. Okay, give the name of one government archive. Answer. The Nation Archive situated in Delhi, the capital of India, is the government archive. Okay, whatever it is there said in the seventh question, give the name of one government archive, that is the National, NATIONAL, National Archive. And where it has been situated? It is situated in Delhi. The capital of India is the government archive. Okay, next, eighth one. State the main source of knowing history. What they are saying that? State the main, MAIN, main source, SOURCES, source of knowing history. The answer is the archaeologist, CHAEOLOGISTS, archaeologist, use utensils of clay and metal of ancient time, weapons of stone, ornaments, tool, pictures, seals, instrument, coins, stamp, inscription, copper plate, Bhojpatra, old building, forts, pond, temples, step well, etc. for knowing history, right? By knowing all these things, we are able to know what? That is our history. Okay. Okay, students, the ninth one. What is inscription? The writing carved on stone is known as inscription. The writing which is carved on stone is known as inscription. INSCRIPTION. 10th one now. What is Tamapatra? Question mark. Tamrapatra. Tamapatra. The writing carved on copper plate is known as Tamrapatra. The writing carved on copper plate is known as Tamrapatra. Tamrapatra. Tamapatra. Okay. Okay. Now the 11th one. How can we know the exit period of archaeologists' remainders? Okay, exit, EXACT, exit means perfect. Okay, period, PERIOD, period of archaeological, RACHAEOLOGICAL, archaeological remainders, REMAINDERS, remainders. Answer. We can know the exact period of archaeological remainder, everything you need to write from the question, by carbon dating system. CARBONDATING, dating, SYSTEM, system, carbon dating system. Now, the question number 4, we are compared with the question number 3. Now, the question, answer the following question briefly. First one. In which script are Tadpatra and Bhojpatra of ancient time namely seen? Who destroyed these script? Question mark. It can ask for 2 marks. It's a short answer. Okay, answer. Tadpatra and Bhojpatra of ancient time are mainly seen in which script? Pandu, PANDU. Students, this you need to write in capital letters. Okay, PANDU, Pandu script. These scripts are destroyed by the insect. Who have destroyed the script? That is insect. Second one. Where are the sample of Tadpatra and Bhojpatra seen? Which question mark, which information do we get from them? Okay. Okay, what the question is saying, the sample of Tadpatra and Bhojpatra, where do we seen it and what do we get from that? What information can we get? Okay, answer. The samples of Tadpatra and Bhojpatra are seen in where? Temples. TEMPLES, temples. Viharas, VIHARAS, viharas. Viharas are place, students. Vihara are place as a house for monk. As in Hindu we have sadhus. Sadhus lives in ashram. So in Jain, the people who leave the house and they take sannyas, right, that people are said to be as monk, and where the monk live, that place is said to be as what? That is viharas. Okay, and private, 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 or government, GOVRMENT, government museum. Okay, private, over here private museum means what? Which has been owned by the people. Okay, privately. And government museum means what? Which is owned by the government. From question mark, from these sources we can get the information about contemporary, CONTEMPORARY, contemporary kings and their administration, 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 as well as the public life. right? By this Tadpatra and Bhojpatra, we are able to know about their king's administration, and at the time of king, how were the people living, how were the people's life, that can be known by the Tadpatra and the Bhojpatra. Now the third one. What is the purpose of archive? P-U-R-P-O-S-E. Purpose of archive. A-R-C-H-I-V-E-S. Archives. First, now student, this you need to write in points as I have written in this. Okay. In ancient time, many kings carved the details of the achievement, achievements, achievements of their state administration, of the their state administration on metal plates or stones. What were they doing? They were doing the inscription. The kings were doing inscription about the state administration, everything on the stones or on the plates. Next, moreover, they carved the writing by order or the treaty with other state on metal plates. Moreover, the order or some treaty, if they want to do with the state, that was being carved on the metal plate. And normal that achievement inscription, they were carving on what? That is metal plates and stones. These type of writing are called as what? Inscription. What are they called as? Inscription. Next, archives were prepared to preserve such inscription. We have seen archives like museums have been prepared to preserve this inscription, such inscription. National Archive of Delhi is the model of the same. Okay, the National Archive of Delhi is said to be the model of the same, where all these inscriptions, copper plates and metal plates, all inscriptions are being preserved over there. Fourth one. Give the names of 4 private institutions preserving Bhojpatra and Tadpatra. We need to write the institution, private institution where Bhojpatra and Tadpatra are being preserved. Okay, answer. The 4 private inscription preserving Bhojpatra and Tadpatra. This you to write, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 as I written, you need to write in that manner. The first one is Sri Hemchandra Acharya Library, Patan. Shri, Shrimchandracharya, Hemchandra Acharya Library, Libray, Library, that is Patan, Patan, Patan. Second one, LD Institute, INSTITUTE, Institute of Indology, 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 Ahmedabad, AMEDABAD, Ahmedabad. Third one, Tribal, TRIBAL, Tribal Museum, 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 Gujarat, GUJARAT, Gujarat. Vidyapit, VIDYAPEETH, Vidyapit. Ahmedabad, AHMEDABAD, Ahmedabad. And the last one is the fourth one, Sri Mahavir, SHRIMAHAVIR, Mahavir Jain, JAIN, Jain. Aradhana, ARADHANA, Aradhana. Kendra, KENDRA, Kendra. Koba, CKOBA, Koba. Gandhinagar, GANDHINAGAR, Gandhinagar. Now the fifth one. These are the 4 archives. preserved where the Tarapatra and the Bhojpatra are preserved. Fifth one. Is it possible to know the history by the source of utensils and metal vessels? What they're saying there, is it possible that we can know the history by the utensils and the metal vessels? Answer, we shall see the answer. Yes, we can know the history on the basis of utensils of clay or metal, right? They're saying yes, it is possible. Like we can know about the history on the basis of utensils of clay or metal. Okay, on the basis of the use of utensils of clay and metal, the painting made on them. Period of history during which people used such utensils, historical information can be obtained. What they are saying over here, that is by on the basis of using of utensils, utensils, utensils of clay and metal, the painting made on them, painting made on what, that is on utensils and metal. Okay, the period of history during which people used such utensils, this can be gained, the historical information can be obtained. Yes, we can get the source of history by utensils and metal vessel. So students, over here we complete with our short answer and with the brief answer, and in the fourth part when we will be coming with the detailed answer. And student, you need to write all brief answers in point wise. Okay, point wise only it has been written, so PDF will also been sent to you, and that PDF write in point wise as I have written it. Okay,